Partnership revolves around two important things. Number one is expectation ng bawat membro ng partnership. Pangalawa is role ng bawat membro ng partnership. Kinakailangan maging malinaw yon kasi if the partnership is only on a business idea, hindi magiging klaro yung what to do, role ng bawat isa, and what to expect. Hindi magiging klaro yon. Ang suggestion ko is matest muna yung market in a startup. It's easier to go into a partnership when the business model is already well defined. Paano kikita yung kumpanya, ano yung kinakailangan in order to scale the business. Malinaw lahat yun. Therefore, you have something to put in writing. Pero pagka hilaw masyado, it is just a business idea, then you cannot put anything in writing. Usually, dyan nagkasira-sira yung maraming partnership. Nasira yung pagkakaibigan kasi they have certain expectations na false expectation lumabas and the rules are not very clear. So, paano magiging clear yung expectation? Paano namang magiging clear yung rule kung hindi pa malinaw yung business model? So, you cannot expect it to work talaga pag wala pa sa stage ng clear business model and it has started serving the customer. So, that is very important. Clear rules and clear expectations.